this?
Apple.
What's number this? What?
One.
This?
Two.
Very good.
Three.
Four.
Five.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, in Spanish, Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. Oh, Tagalog, yung Tagalog. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. Very good. Oh, what's this? Cake. Oh, what's this? Birds. This?
Apples.
Ano ba ulit? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yung alphabet.